I'm Chris.
And I'm Brittany.
And we're here to get a first look at the new topiaries coming to EPCOT International Flower and Garden Festival.
We are so excited to have Princess Tiana joining the festival this year. She is loud and proud and ready to go in. She's my personal favorite, and we're just so happy to have her.
We love the silhouette created by Princess Tiana's gown, which is made up of two different types of ficus.
So we started about a year ago with Walt Disney Animation Studio on the concept of getting the Encanto characters here.
And from there we partner with our digital design team who make sure our characters are on model.
So we focused a lot on getting that tension in Luisa's muscle, so we really get that push and strongness to her character. And if you come around back, you can really see the emphasis in her back muscles here to really give her that strong anatomy.
In horticulture, every year we're trying to add new elements. This year we've added a lighted butterfly to the Mirabelle topiary. And for the first time, we're doing a topiary all in succulents. The succulents are really great for the Florida climate.
The goal this year was to really get the guests to feel like they were part of the Madrigal family by being able to pose in the Madrigal family photo. We connect with these characters on so many different levels, and we're just so happy to have the Encanto characters here this year.